Hi guys, MUR-LOCK 68 here. Hope everybody's well. I've got a CISA Italian-made brass shutter padlock, 94 millimeters long, 62 wide, 11 millimeter hardened steel shackle. It weighs 1¼ pounds. It's key retaining, 6-pin, non-shimmable, non-bypassable. I think my biggest challenge is going to be holding this thing in my hands. I'm going to give it a shot. Here we go. Trying to figure out what tensioner to use. I'm going to use a top of the keyway tensioner, and see if I can get it in there. Very tight fit. I'm going to try it this way. I'm not sure if it's going to hold it, but let's give it a shot. I go in with the Peterson's 18,000s, a little bit of tension. Nothing on 6. Click out of 5. I'm gonna have to switch picks. This pick's got a little bit too soft. Click out of 3. Gone into a bit of a deep false set after touching 2, guys. Counter rotation on 2, and we got it open. Man, this thing is hard to hold, I'll tell you that. What a beast. Hardened steel shackle, 11 millimeter. I do have a working key. Fairly smooth. And there's the bitting on the key. So there's your gatekeeper. Low cut, probably an 8 or 9 cut on the front. And that's it for now, guys. The CISA Italian-made shutter padlock, SPP'd. Please hit the like button. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night, guys.